Imagine a project that redefined the future of aviation. This is the story of the Boeing 787. In 2003, Boeing embarked on an ambitious journey to create the Dreamliner. The initial phase focused on defining project goals and assembling a global team. One of the first challenges was integrating advanced materials like carbon fiber composites. Boeing's project management team used agile methodologies to adapt to changes. By 2007, the first prototype was ready, but delays soon followed. Supply chain issues and technical setbacks tested the team's resilience. Effective communication and collaboration were crucial in overcoming these hurdles. By 2011, the Dreamliner was ready for its first commercial flight. The project management strategies employed ensured the project's success. Continuous improvement and feedback loops were integral to the process. The Boeing 787 project set new standards in aerospace engineering. It demonstrated the power of innovative project management techniques. Today, the Dreamliner continues to inspire future aerospace projects. The Boeing 787 project is a testament to what can be achieved with vision and determination.